talking about an event that is going to happen in future, most often we use the will or going to in order to refer to an upcoming event. But sometimes we are confused over which one to use and when. In English grammar, both will and be going to are used to express future tense. First, let's see the similarity in their usage. Both will and going to can be used for making future predictions without having a real difference in meaning. For example, I think it will be foggy tomorrow. It can also be written as I think it is going to be foggy tomorrow. So both are having same meaning. There is no difference in the meaning. Now let's compare both. Let's see the differences. Now will, when we use will in a sentence, it expresses future action decided at the moment of speaking. We can say immediate decision. For example, I'll have salad now. Now here, this I have made an immediate decision. I decided that I will have salad now. Now see the use of going to. Now when we use going to, it expresses the future plans decided before the moment of speaking. Means we can say that we have prior plans. For example, I'm going to visit my aunt next Friday. Now this I have already planned that I am going to visit my aunt next Friday. Let's see the second difference. It expresses a prediction based on personal opinions or experiences. For example, I believe she will do well in the competition. Now here it is my opinion that she will do well in the competition. Now let's see the use of going to. It expresses a prediction based on present evidence. So means there should be an evidence, present evidence on the basis of we are predicting something. For example, look at those dark clouds. It's going to rain. So here we saw the evidence. We have an evidence that there are dark clouds. So it is going to rain. Next difference is it expresses will. When we use will, it expresses a future fact. Like the sun will rise tomorrow. And when we use going to, it expresses that something is about to happen. For example, get back. The bomb is going to explode. Now here it is talking about something which is about to happen. Let's compare a sentence. Are you busy this evening? Now there can be two situations, like if I haven't made any plans, so what I will say, I think I will probably watch TV, or I can say I'm probably going to watch TV. Now here we can use any of the two because there is no planning, no? We are predicting what will happen because nothing is planned. And if the situation is like I have already planned something, so what I'll say, yes, I'm going to the mall. Now here only going to is possible because this is a prior plan.